Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the right tools, a size and a small palette of colors so each note has a clear purpose. Once chosen, clean the page edge where you'll stick notes so they adhere evenly. Write concise headers before placing the note. That prevents smudging and saves time. As you apply, peel from the center and press outward to avoid air bubbles. This first step sets structure and speed. Make sure to label colors now so the system stays consistent. Now you organize content and create a scanning system. You'll write short, clear headings, 2 to 5 words, so your eyes find topics quickly. Once done, stagger tabs vertically to form visible rows and leave a small gap so each tab is readable. Make sure to number or date tabs when sequence matters. That way you can follow chronology without opening pages. If you need detail, layer a smaller note on top for annotations. This keeps the main tab clean and scannable. To finish, review each tab quickly and decide which notes stay temporary versus permanent. You should transfer lasting points into your notebook or a digital file so the index remains fast reference only. Once complete, scan or photograph pages for backup and label files clearly. If a note won't stick, try cleaning the edge with an alcohol wipe or replace with a glue dot. That solves most adhesion problems. Finally, tidy colors and remove duplicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.